made the list for areas with the highest number of luxury homes. It's Friday, July 14th, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Market Minute. Subscribe to stay updated on our local market and let me know what you want to know. North Bethesda came in third place with 54.7% homes listed for sale considered luxury in a small market. North Bethesda was in good company with East Honolulu, Hawaii in the number one slot with 70.5% luxury homes, and Bozeman, Montana was in second place with 62.4% luxury homes. It's no surprise that California took all three slots in both the luxury midsize and the luxury large markets. Meanwhile, Maryland has 961 homes coming soon. 1,809 new listings hit the market since last report. 615 went under contract and 874 went pending. 1,139 sold at 100%. List to sold ratio in 7 days. This appears to be our new normal. The highest priced home to sell was a waterfront in the Eastport community of Annapolis for $9,500,000. Rentals available rose to $1,837 at $2,300 per month and leasing in 16 days from hitting the market, reflecting fewer available than in recent weeks. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, July 14th, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Have a super weekend, and I'll see you next week.